Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. DiPatrizio.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, I do have a green sheet for this matter. We are asking for some additional time for investigation and ongoing discussion with the prosecution. We would also like to address bond.
Well, during the matter to May 14, 2026. All right, as to bond.
Your Honor, Mr. DiPatrizio is on a GPS tether, and we are asking if the court would consider removing the tether. Since he has been on the tether, there have not been any violations. He has not gone to the hotspot. This is his first, it's my understanding, this is his first contact with the criminal justice system. He is asking that have the ability to, in addition to having being able to have the tether removed, that he would also.
Who's the alleged victim to him?
I believe it is his former partner, the mother they have a child in common. And he is also asking that they be able to have some contact as with regard to the child in common, no other contact.
Is there a divorce pending? What's going on?
My understanding is that there was a messy divorce with
There was a what?
a bit of a messy divorce, but that I believe
And after that
finalized.
came out?
Pardon?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And so there's messy divorce. These charges come out and you want me to remove the tether.
That is his request, Your Honor.
All right. Response.
This is the second count on this, and the first, you have aggravated assault, or aggravated stalking in the past, which was dismissed, and the contract had continued. They previously had, some contact in regards to the, however, he violated that, and so that was removed. They would speak about the children, but then also speak about other things. The victim has expressed that she's extreme emotional distress, and that she feels problem from the type of communications that he with her. So at this time, we the remain as well as the no contact and no go to.
Anything else?
Just for clarification, Mr. DiPatrizio is saying that he has not had any contact with his former partner, that any contact he has had has been with his daughter. And it's my understanding that in the divorce decree, that there is contact permitted for the purposes of visitation, other like that with regard to his daughter. So those are the only two modifications he is requesting. He has no prior convictions. Is that right?
Well, you're requesting a modification to take off the tether.
Yes.
Really what you're asking.
Yes. And he spent 3 days in jail on this matter already. So he is very, very sure that is not a place he wants to return.
Given all the circumstances, motion for bond modifications denied. I'm going to leave everything in place. So his bond will continue. We'll see him on the 14th. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Angeles Warren.
Mr. Davis, can you please state your name for the record?
I know. What's your name? Name? Man Davis. Thank you.
Your Honor, we were originally expecting to do a waiver today, but Mr. Davis is on the magistrate's docket this afternoon for a new case. So we figured we should hold off for that case to come with these other cases.
Okay.
Ask for maybe the 1 week, because I would anticipate that his probable cause conference in that matter would be set for next Thursday.
Well, maybe. Okay. Where's the hand? Oh, why are you there? Where's the other one? Where'd she go? He's supposed to be in here when I need him. Hold on a moment, folks. We have some disruption in the office. You don't know. Okay. Do you know if all of the paperwork has gone through regarding the new case?
Would hope so, Your Honor. I know the swear to took place yesterday.
Did. Okay, so hopefully the paperwork. So can we let them know to set this for the 30th? All right, so I'll adjourn these out next week. And that other one, let that catch up.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'll adjourn these to April 30th. All right. See you then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case, people versus Tawan Edison.
You know, Raven show for the people.
Judge. For show feaster assistant public defender on behalf.
One, state your name for the record. Lonnie Franklin.
Really? All right, no. It's that you'd be out of these by now.
But
What?
I signed that, right, Judge?
Okay, pressing an adjournment.
That's correct, Your Honor. There were just some videos that we saw online that we wanted to review with Ms. Franklin.
May 14th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Bond will continue. Thank you, ma'am.
We're requesting an adjournment for some additional, for ongoing discussions and an opportunity to do some mitigation.
He's in circuit court on a bunch of other things, right?
But
He was, but not now.
yeah, led to those cases back in February.
Got it. Okay.
We would also like to request an opportunity for him to go to substance abuse treatment court.
Pardon?
We would also like to request an opportunity for him to go to inpatient substance abuse treatment, if the court would be open to that.
What's the people's position?
Your Honor, I certainly understand the court's general policy on this inpatient treatment as we have to do this. Court that during the last case, the defendant was listed as left inpatient treatment. That's right. Given those facts, given frankly how close we are to the last plenitude case of which
You learned your lesson, haven't you? Will stay in treatment.
Yes. Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 7th, 2026, 9 a.m. I will not allow release to treat. In this case, I do recall that.
Okay, thank you.
Court calls case. Versus Dallas Fritz. You'll have to leave, sir.
You're welcome.
And is it on behalf of people, Your Honor?
When you arrive, Mr. Jones, please state your name for the record. Look,
Your name, sir?
Marcus Jones.
thank you, Judge. We're trying to move this case forward. If we could set this matter for preliminary examination, please.
Discovery is complete.
To my knowledge, Judge.
And people have their witnesses available the 5th.
We will try for that date, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination in person, May 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. before or 10 a.m. 10 a.m. before, really? For Judge Fresh Hour.
May 5 at 10 a.m.
Yes.
Thank you.
Up to the hand. Thank you. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge. All right. Oh,
You know what? No. Court calls case, people versus, you need to keep moving. Court calls case, people versus Curry Fault.
on behalf of Falk, who's standing to my right at the podium, please state your name for the record, sir.
Curry Fault.
Thank you. We have began the mitigation process, and I believe there's some lab reports we're still waiting on. We'd be asking for a 3 or 4 week adjournment, Your Honor.
Madam Judge, probable cause conference, May 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge. Do my copy.
Court calls case, people versus Ashley Nader.
Haynes, Senior Assistant Public Defender with me, Ms. Nader. With the
Ashley
record.
Nader.
Your Honor, we're asking for a preliminary exam in this matter.
People have their witnesses available the fifth. Discovery is complete.
That's my understanding, Your Honor.
Court will set a preliminary examination in person, May 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Perry. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Darius Grady.
Mr. Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Grady, who approaches. And can you state your name for the record, Mr. Grady?
Darius Grady. Thank you. He's waiving.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination? Yes. You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed.
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
You will also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor, and there is no on this case.
Go ahead.
The offers to plead as charged with prosecutor's HIDA, sentencing agreement to 5 years probation and no contact of non-individual defendant's siblings.
That a correct statement.
That is a correct statement, Your Honor.
People do waive the
Yes, sure. Thank you.
preliminary examination. Having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on a single count.
Acknowledge receipt of information, waive formal reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
June 23rd at 1:30 with Judge Hon.
June 23rd, 2026, 1:30, Judge Hon.
Thank you very much.
You bond will continue.
And we'll be in touch with you before that date. I'll be in a different court, okay?
All right. I think I have it. Yep.
Your Honor, Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerbs on behalf of Ms. Nally, approaching. Can you please state your name for the record?
Shereen Alley.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we do respectfully request this be set for preliminary examination,
Discovery is complete.
to my knowledge.
People have their witnesses available the fifth.
We will track that, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, May 5th, 2026, 10 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continued. Thank you. Court calls case People versus David Grayson.